What's the meaning of conceit? Conceit. Conceit.
Conceit. Conceit. Conceit is defined as an excessive sense of self-importance or an exaggerated opinion of one's own abilities or worth. It can also refer to a fanciful or elaborate metaphor or analogy used in literature or speech. When someone exhibits conceit, they may appear arrogant or haughty, often looking down on others and believing themselves to be superior. This behavior can create distance between the conceited person and those around them, ultimately leading to a lack of genuine connection and potentially negative consequences in personal and professional relationships.